What if I told you that a simple tweak in your content could skyrocket your page to the top of Google searches? Welcome to the world of LSI keywords. So, you've heard of keywords, but what about LSI keywords? LSI stands for latent semantic indexing. These aren't just any keywords. They're the context that gives your content depth and relevance. Imagine you're writing about healthy diets. LSI keywords could include nutritional benefits, weight management, and diet plans. These related terms help search engines understand your content better, pushing your page up in those all-important search rankings. Now, why should you care? Using LSI keywords makes your content more naturally engaging, improving user experience and keeping your readers hooked. Plus, it's a white-hat SEO strategy, completely approved by search engines. Authority Solutions steps in here. As a leader in SEO services, they excel in weaving these potent LSI keywords into your content strategy, ensuring your website not only ranks higher, but also attracts the right audience. Remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords, it's about crafting content that resonates and performs. So what are you waiting for? Boost your SEO game with LSI keywords. Like this video, subscribe for more insights, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Dive deeper into the world of SEO with Authority Solutions and watch your website soar.